What's up, trainers? Today on Art Parlor, we're gonna show you how to be the very best like no one ever was. We're doing a comedy tutorial. We're hitting 2 icons today. And you learners out there are gonna get teached by not 1, but 2 professional industry wannabe artists, aka me and Zombie. Okay. So I'm gonna go first. I'll teach you how to draw a Pokemon trainer, okay? First off, you don't want to start with a blank canvas. You want to get a pretty background pattern. That'll
pretty background pattern, dude.
Yeah, okay, you want to get some Sylveons, some Umbreons, Flareons, some Vaporeons. Yeah, it's all about setting the mood. You want to put some candles out. You want to get sensual.
Set the scene.
I'm setting the scene right now,
Plant some high grass. Make sure the Pokemons are coming in.
We're gonna make this good.
Get the roses out. Change the sheets.
You want to get some actual pictures of trainers. Shoot, where are my references? I got confused on my folders. You wanna get Wait, oh.
Jesus Christ!
Oops, not that one, guys. How did that get in there?
Boomer!
Okay. Is this it? Yeah, okay.
Boomer. Dude, Frostdrive's been the boomer the whole time. We didn't even know. He's actually 84 years old.
Guys, please stop. I'm not 85. I am 75. I still got years to go. I'm an industry professional. Alright, so you want to get some Pokemon trainers references to get the inspiration. You know, you want to get multiple. You want to get lots of Wait. Whoops. Not that one.
Dude, stop.
Not that one.
You're going to get age restricted.
Oh, no.
Stop
Makes
it.
This the cheesy toast.
I would edit out these pictures showing up on my canvas, but due to the conversation and stuff, I couldn't. It's really embarrassing. I don't know what to say.
Okay, whew.
So after you got your references, you want to get out your hand and get a goddamn pencil in it. Okay, alright, now we're ready to start. So here's the actual Pokemon trainer.
What?
It's the hottest one, alright? It's the hottest one.
She's not showing enough skin. She's only got her legs out and her arms.
So first thing you want to do is get a picture, and then you're gonna want to trace it.
Whoa. Nice.
This is how you do the cheat code. You hit that cheat code trace icon.
Dude, she's looking kind of thick though.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
I know that one. I know this girl. That's Phoebe.
Yeah. And then you color it and you're basically done,
Dude,
alright?
he was Googling that. He was Googling that.
Good tutorial.
Dude, she looks just like Frostdrive and Hard Drive at the same time.
Yeah, Frost Drive and a hard drive. This is the main character for my comic, dude.
And an overdrive.
When you upload this picture though, don't say that you traced it. Don't mention that part. People might get a little mad.
Right.
But also you want to put balls on the belt. Balls on the belt says it's a Pokemon trainer. Don't forget the belt balls, okay?
Yeah, that's super important.
She's only got 3 balls.
Yeah,
she's
alright,
in-
well 3 on the back.
I like her knees.
Yeah, those red knees. That's from ruffling through the grass in the allergy season. So after you trace, you're gonna be a little bit better. You're gonna know the proportions. Like that they're 5.5 heads tall. Okay, here we go, guys. Here's a speed paint of me drawing the Pokemon trainer. Drawing a new one. Alright, so
I want you to leave this part of the video screen shared.
Yeah, so thing is, 5.5 heads tall, start with the head. You gotta make a thin line, even thinner than I did here. Pokemon got them thin lines. You wanna make a swooshy through it to give it energy. Then you gotta put those belt balls.
Gotta put the belt on the balls.
They gotta have long eyes, with long pupils.
And you gotta kick them in the balls.
Yeah. That's how you send the Pokemon into battles. You get the ball out and kick it.
Nah, this drawing sucks. There's no feet.
Yeah. So the thing with Pokemon is there's shading, but it's like really subtle, kind of pastelic. I did a little too harsh in this probably. Doody doody doo 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 doo.
Damn.
Yeah. It's pretty good,
Damn.
not gonna lie.
Are we supposed to have time for all of this?
Check that out, guys. Beautiful artwork. Just beautiful.
Yeah,
okay.
Zombie, where's your
Y'all not gonna. Nobody's gonna beat me. You guys suck.
I can do that. That's easy. I'm about to do this in 2 minutes.
Nobody can beat me. I'm the best
10
artist
seconds
here.
You didn't even draw this. This is just taken from Mother Cub's channel, whatever.
I did not steal. Okay. So that's me, Frost Drive tutorial number 1. Next up, we're gonna hear from the man, the myth, the legend, the nice zombie. This is an insane video, everybody. This is 2 tutorials in 1. And then we're gonna see people doing it in action. Jed Draws and ItzDangani here are gonna be testing out the water.
All right. So, since I know that Jed was gonna be drawing this, I figured I would.
I would poop on the canvas.
I figured I would do
Whoa.
Geometry?
shit. Yeah.
Because
yeah.
Jed loves
Oh,
the shape
yeah.
All right.
tool.
So that looks a little.
So
That
I
looks
can
a
actually
little
make it in
complex.
Microsoft Paint.
Let me break it down. Yeah. So that's the idea. So right, check it. You start off
Oh
with
my
a
God.
hexagon.
Oh fuck!
Like
I don't
so.
think they have those in Paint.
You twist
Oh, I
it.
cannot rotate in Paint.
Kind of screwed. Oh fuck.
Zombie was getting me to draw stuff with fucking hexagons and circles and lines and shit. Do I look like I'm good at maths?
And then you do a. Oh. Let's see. It's a little bit easier if you do it next to it. You do a circle that's just the right size. Like
Dude, what
it's,
the
exactly
Nobody can do this.
as big.
Why is Zombie gotta be such a goddamn nerd? Get the math out of here.
This is easy.
Nobody's
This is
gonna
easy stuff.
nobody's
I got
gonna
this,
watch the
dude.
video and be like, yeah, I got this, I can do it.
Oh fuck! It cropped out.
And
It
that's
cropped
it,
out.
ladies and gentlemen. Pokemon trainer. Thank you, Zombie.
There we go. It's a little bit important that they are the same size. If you do it too big, it'll end up like this, and you get something like that looks like Pearl. Or if you do it too small, you get something like fucking Senpai Club up in here. So don't do that. It's better to go the exact same. And
This is like those
once
mega
you get-
tutorial
wait,
books where
hold
it's
on.
like,
No, that's-
first draw a circle, next step, it's done.
Right.
Oh.
Says you does the fucking a video. All right. So if you look at the corner right here, the left corner, this is gonna be the nose. So you're kind of getting how big the nose is gonna be. So I want it to be a little small, so something like that.
No,
There
make
you
it
go.
big. I want a big nose.
Make it big. And then what do? You do a line right here, and then you do a line right there,
My
a
God.
line right there.
Dude, this is like math.
There you go. And
Yeah,
that's all you need.
Leave it
That's
up
all
to
you
Zombie
need.
to suck out all the fun in drawing.
Yeah, so I studied programming, and math can actually be art, alright? Alright.
That's
Yeah.
all you need. No, look at this. Look at this.
This is just Jesus-y maths.
Then this is when the tracing start coming in.
I don't have layers in Paint.
No, but you don't need them. You just
Yeah, don't worry,
trace
dude.
trace the
It's gonna work
outline.
out.
This
Gonna work out
tutorial's
fine.
way too complicated. I'm not gonna remember all this.
Zombie can suck my freaking N-word. I'll say that much.
I'm not gonna
Trace
remember all
trace
this.
the outline, like this. But here you go. Here you
Dude,
go.
his chin is razor sharp.
This is the head shape.
Yo, when this guy gets a package in the mail, he opens the box with his chin.
Here you go. There's the head.
Wow.
Right? So now you can start adding details if you want, right? Like the eyes are kind of like along this line. And just like
Nah.
Frost said,
Eyes aren't important. I don't need to draw eyes.
For the viewers, if you're trying to draw anime eyes and it's too difficult, there's a cheat code you can do for Pokemon. Just put Ditto eyes, make your trainer a Ditto. Put little dot eyes.
oh yeah, that's good.
There we go.
Like the dirt. I drew myself,
Whoa.
actually. So.
He drew himself, guys. Oh my god, what a narcissist.
Bro.
Ba-ding!
Whoa.
Look at that!
Oh, dang.
I got the hair and everything. Oh, actually, if you want two eyes, you can do it off the side.
Whoa.
Want me to show you how this is made?
Oh my
Or can you see
God.
it through the geometry?
2 squares. That's it. Drawing's easy.
Yeah. You just need a hexagon, and you need.
Drawing is easy with math. Pausing for a second to let you know that the audio going forward does not sound as good because Jed lost his recording. He messed up. Blame him in the comments below. It's all his fault.
But are we ready to take it away? Like, let the students test these new abilities out.
Yeah, I feel like I've learned so much. I feel like I'm a Pokemon artist master at this point.
Okay, I'm an artist and I couldn't even do that geometry stuff.
It's a hexagon and a square.
Okay, so is it me
I
or
don't even
Jed?
know what hexagon means.
It means it has 6 corners.
Hexagon
No, it
is
doesn't.
math.
That's a
Math?
sexagon.
Math? Okay, so this is my screen. All right, this is what I
Both
got.
doing it at the same
Oh,
time.
damn.
Ooh,
damn
we
it,
got the
gotta got a
reference.
hot
Ah.
trainer.
Yeah, so I'm ready. I got
Yeah.
some stuff while Frost Drive was doing this. I was like engaged, and I followed a couple of Frost Drive steps at the beginning just to be ready for this.
Awesome.
I have the unique pattern. I have the references. I have a small sketch that I started. I thought this was really cool, and it was based off of this person, this Pokemon trainer. So
You got a hot one, so you followed the steps correctly.
yeah, so I feel like I'm doing really good. I'm gonna pay close attention to how Frost Drive did his, and then also incorporating the geometry to make a masterpiece. So these are the socks, okay?
Ooh, nice. Some 80s socks. Loose.
Yes, stylish.
That's how I like a lot of things, is loose.
Right. And then
Caboose.
I'm gonna do
Zombie, that's disgusting.
I'm gonna do
That's the soundboard. Loose caboose. Loose caboose.
For me, Jed's screen share is loading.
Yeah, I can't see Jed's.
Yeah, long time loading.
I need to see Jed's masterpiece, dude, so I can just copy off him.
I think my
You're
computer's
doing great on
doing
your
too-
own.
I think my computer's doing too much stuff at once. It's
no.
it's having a
They went
meltdown.
sicko mode.
I can't do anything. Discord's frozen.
Dangani's is
Okay.
going wonderfully. He's got a Pokemon hat. It's going hot. His trainer's hot. I like it.
Right, I'm doing fire right now.
Oh, here we go.
And then
Dude, I'm fucking. I'm the wrong way around. Dude, this will make hair. This will be hair. I've just made
confused.
Marge Simpson in anime.
oh
Wait,
dude,
what?
you
Okay,
did it.
geometry
It's so
has
easy.
failed us.
Zombies ruined it. You ruined the episode.
I think
Can't
it's
stop
really
responding.
Okay, so that's gonna do it for this episode. Yo, on the bright side, guys, the silver lining here is that Dangani has drawn us a wonderful, beautiful Dora the Explorer Pokemon trainer.
Thank you, thank you. I'm really happy how it turned out, especially with the hexagon hands.
All right, and we are lucky enough to have one voicemail sent in to us today by a fan. Yeah,
could it be?
by the
Only
honest.
one.
They titled themselves Honest John.
Okay, I don't get a first drive right now. So, I've been watching the show for about half a year now. All I keep on hearing is an N-word this, N-word that. But I've never actually heard an N-word on the show. But there was that one time where I was watching a live stream and he said the N-word. I couldn't believe it. I was bloody shocked. But they didn't archive the stream and I couldn't find it a second time. Well, I'm here to say that I would appreciate a couple of N-words on the videos. Yeah, that'd be nice. Okay, guys, thanks very much.
Who's on fucking Rail reviewing?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, we're pushing a couple of
You have a lovely voice. This fan, I love you. I don't even know who you are, but like you are fucking so good.
Who was that?
Oh my god. It's this really epic YouTuber that we all kind of know.
That was Rayon reviewing as Kermit.
Alright, so
Yeah,
that's gonna do it for today's episode. Let us know how you like this comedy.
He
said-
wanted more N words.
Yeah.
I don't. I sure can't deliver on that.
He wants us to say the N-word.
Yeah, Frost. How about you?
I said N-word in the last one, but I didn't say the N-word. I just said
No,
N-word.
he like no, he actually wants
just
us to
think-
say the N-word.
Hey, like, I forgot your name. Sorry, but like, if you want more N words,
Forgot its name. What?
we
You're in
can.
an online call. You're in an online call, and you can see his name right there. What's that guy who said something about booty earlier? What was his name?
Booty.
Yeah, he said
What?
something about
Wait, what?
there's some kind of a rhyme with like.
Oh yeah, caboose.
Oh yeah, that was it. What was that guy's name again?
His name is the Nice.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa! Whoa!
All right, that's going to do it for today's episode, everybody. Let us know if you like this mix of comedy and tutorial. If you got this far into the episode, somewhere in your comment, leave the word balls. Leave the N-word somewhere in your comment.
You have to leave that in, but censor it. You have to leave that in. Oh my god.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next
The
time.
nice N-word. I don't know how much Froststripe is going to include at the ending of this video, but... and you said the nice N-word instead of the nice zombie at the end. Oh my god. It was so funny, I couldn't stop laughing. I literally slid off my chair and was sitting on the floor, laughing my ass off. I want to personally thank Ray our reviewing. I think it was Ray. I don't fucking know. But anyway, whoever left the voicemail, it was so good. I can't wait to see this episode and just watch that bit again because I had no idea what they were saying. All I heard was N-word and that just set me off.